Finance: how to make money unlocking the potential of financial markets and services. The finance sector offers a plethora of opportunities for individuals to make money. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a finance novice, there are various avenues to explore. This video aims to guide you through some of the most lucrative ways to make money in finance. Investment strategies. Stock market investing. One of the most popular ways to make money in finance is through stock market investing. By buying shares of companies, you can earn through capital gains and dividends. How to start? Research companies, understand market trends, and start with a diversified portfolio. Forex trading. The foreign exchange market offers another avenue for making money. Forex trading involves buying and selling currencies. How to start? Learn the basics of Forex trading, choose a reliable trading platform, and start with a demo account. Financial services. Financial advising. If you have expertise in financial planning, you can offer advisory services to individuals or businesses. How to start? Obtain necessary certifications and build a client base through networking and referrals. Tax consultancy. Help individuals and businesses navigate the complex world of taxation and save money. How to start? Gain a deep understanding of tax laws and regulations, and offer your services during tax season. Fintech innovations. Peer-to-peer lending. Online platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses online. How to start? Choose a reputable peer-to-peer lending platform and start with a small investment. Cryptocurrency investments. The rise of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin offers a new way to make money. How to start? Research different cryptocurrencies, understand the risks involved, and invest through a secure platform. Side hustles. Day trading. Buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day can be a lucrative but risky venture. How to start? Understand the market trends and have a solid trading strategy. Real estate crowdfunding. Invest in real estate projects online through crowdfunding platforms. How to start? Research various real estate crowdfunding platforms and choose projects that align with your investment goals. The finance sector is rich with opportunities for making money. From traditional investment options to modern fintech innovations, there are numerous ways to increase your income. However, it's crucial to do thorough research and possibly consult with financial advisors to make informed decisions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to and follow us for more money-making ideas.